Hi guys, welcome to a short video about what to do or how to prevent from being added all the time in some public groups on Telegram. This has happened to me a lot, and when I clicked on it, usually it was already reported as spam. So usually these are mostly spam and scam groups, and I didn't know till now that there is some setting which can prevent this thing from happening. So unfortunately I have to blur the whole thing a little bit. Of course, what you have to do, you have to, when you are on web.telegram.org, on the main page, you have this menu here on the left top, these three lines. You click on that, you go into settings. This is this wheel here, go click on settings, and then you go down to privacy and security, and there in the last option, that's the last option down here, and it says who can add me to group chats. And I had it on everybody, and yeah, I highly recommend to change this to my contacts, and that's already it. There's no save button, you can just go back and then the problem is solved. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.